guys, we are trying to attempt the Master Lock Challenge. Thanks to this guy. Right, liar. Okay, let's get on with the video.
My neck hurts, just so you know.
Okay, do it.
Wait, so how, what?
We gotta do it. You know the full Nelson that you did to me? No. Okay.
But is there a time limit for it?
We'll give it about 1 minute. Well, for you, 30 seconds.
Yeah. All right. Wait. Once it hits a minute, then we do it until 2 minutes.
No, 1 minute and 40 seconds.
3.
Okay, 1 minute and 50. Ready? Go.
Wait. I want to do it right at
1 minute.
Yes.
Okay.
3, 2, 1.
Oh! This ass.
Dance party. You're about to make me fall, dude. Ow. Do you give up?
Ow!
No. Whoa! You just got out of it. Back up here.
I know we're supposed to get out of it. We're supposed to try to get out of it.
Oh. I didn't.
Okay, come on. Do it.
Freak.
Okay. No, I'm not.
Oh, shoot! I can't get your other arm up.
Ow! My freaking foot!
There's a couple more seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4.
I did it!
You need 5 more seconds.
Oh, are you kidding me? With that, the whole reason is trying.
4, 3, 2, 1. Oh,
The
God.
whole reason is to try escape it. To
Oh,
escape
God.
it. Oh yeah, by the way, the guy, right?
Liar.
Who? You got 30 seconds. Let's do it whenever it hits 1 minute, 3 minutes.
I trust you, boy. Hey, boy.
Panic on the brain, world's gone inside. It's time to make me
'Tis the
nervous.
season to be jolly.
F you.
Oh, God, okay.
10, 9,
Oh, God. Oh, freak.
oh shoot, you escaped. You escaped. You're too heavy.
That's really easy to escape.
Oh, I just heard a pop.
Hey, call it.
I just heard a pop. I just heard a pop, I swear. Dude, I just heard a pop.
Oh, I felt something in my neck.
I just heard a pop in your neck.
Oh.
Oh my god.
I'm gonna die.
Usos! Bacalacho! Ooh! So! Listen, I hate Jimmy Uso now, but that's why I'm gonna miss it. Whoa, me dead too. Oh, I just went face first. I just went face first in your butt.
Alright, we have to do a wrestling video.
Wait, in this same video?
I guess.
2 in 1 special.
Ouch!
Are you freaking kidding me?
I didn't know what to do, so.
Oh, okay. Oh, what? You stupid! Oh, freak! I hate you. Oh. Oh. Who are you? Reigns?
Magalaji.
Wait, who is this? Wait, who is that? No. Who are you? Oh, are you John? Oh, CM Punk, the worst in the world.
1, 2.
Grab, pull.
Don't slam me hard though.
CM, here, I'll help you. We can become tag team.
Who are you?
Huh?
Who are you?
You're biatch. One, two. Go ball.
Oh. Sorry. I don't think they can really see.
Okay, that's the end. He pinned me.